Hello YouTube, this is Marvin Smith. I am back again with part 2 of our video, what is a Microsoft 365 tenant? So we are in NxusCloud's Inc. client portal. This is where we manage your accounts, your tenant, and from here I'm going to show you how to log in, how we log in to your Microsoft 365 tenant through our portal. So we have our demo corporation here, our Ascari Corp, which is just a demo domain that we have active on our cloud hosting servers. So we're going to log into the Microsoft 365 tenant through this icon here, and I'm going to show you how we would set up your tenant if you were a client. Let's say you wanted to become a client. We wouldn't go through the normal way of how you would do it through the Microsoft portal because we are a authorized Microsoft 365 reseller and other Microsoft products. So we have our own custom portal that links into Microsoft 365. So let's say you wanted to become a tenant, we would have a general conversation. I would want to know what you're looking for as far as pricing, how long you want to keep your tenant for, and so forth and so forth. And once we agree to a pricing, I would go in to my portal, set you up. Then from there, I would log into your tenant as we're going to do now. Now, as you can see in the address bar of Google Chrome, you can see we're at https://portal.office.com, which is the legitimate portal to log into your Office 365. So I'm going to click enter. It's going to prompt me to sign in. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on my demo admin account. Click next, then I'm going to sign in. And then even though I am the admin, I'm still prompted for my authentication code, which is what we thrive on at NxusCloud Inc., is making sure your environment is secure at all times. So I'm going to enter in my authentication code, verify, and click yes. So since I am an admin, I don't need the license for any Office products. I could just go in. I'm going to go to Admin Center. I'm going to go to Setup. Then I'm going to scroll down to Get Your Custom Domain, Manage. Now, one of the benefits of being a Office 365, one of the benefits of being one of our customers is that we host our own hosting cloud servers, which means we could host your domain, we could manage it from our end with no third-party interruptions. It's basically you tell us what domain you want, I'll see if it's available, we go through the process, I register it, and it's being hosted on my server. So there's no hiccups between Microsoft and myself. I basically managed everything. So as you can see, we have our Ascari dot Ascari Corp dot onmicrosoft.com. This is standard. It's just something Microsoft does to assign an ID to your tenant, which I'll go into later on down the line by providing a video of what's the reason behind this process. So as you can see, we have ascaricorp.com, which is a domain that I host on my cloud servers, which is already there. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go into DNS records. Then I'm going to go continue. As you can see, I've already set this domain up, but I'm going to go through the process to show you what it looks like. So we're going to click on MX Records, which is already indicated from my hosting servers into Microsoft's ecosystem. Then we're going to click on CNAME, which again, it's also was already configured on my cloud hosting servers. Then my cloud hosting servers talks to Microsoft ecosystem. It registered and it's been verified. So we're going to click down again to TX record. So again, everything is set up on the back end from my cloud hosting servers, talking to Microsoft. Everything is configured. So we're going to click continue, dismiss, hit continue again. So as you could see, if you saw an error message earlier in the recording, I had to go into my hosting servers to make some configurations on the DNS records. Things like this happens since it's a live demo. No system's perfect, no one's perfect, but I was able to rectify the issue. And as you can see, the domain is set up, Ascari Corp is live, and we're now officially active in the Microsoft ecosystem. So I'm going to click done. Make sure all the DNS records have been active, as you can see, and I'm going to click on overview. Go back to domains, and yes, the domain is active, healthy, and if I wanted to set up a user with license and email, everything will be already configured on the back end for that process to go through. So we're now in the first steps of basically you've set up your domain, I've set up your domain, it's active, it's live. That's the first part of being a Microsoft 365 tenant. So just to double check, I'm going to go ahead and click on Ascari Corp. I'm going to make sure connection is healthy. My servers are talking to Microsoft servers. So I click on check health. And as you can see in real time, both servers are talking. MX record is okay. TX record is okay. CNAME is okay. And the domain is active and healthy within Microsoft's ecosystem. So in this section of the video, I'm going to show you we're inside my hosting server. We're about to verify that the DNS record, CNAME, MX record, TXT record, everything verifies on my side. And we're going to do a side-by-side comparison on my hosting servers and then looking at Microsoft 365, making sure TXT record, MX record, and CNAME record matches on both sides to make sure we get a proper handshake verification that my server and Microsoft servers are talking. So right now, this is the first screenshot. We're looking at, I'm in my cPanel. I type in DNS. I'm going to click into Zone Editor. Clicked into Zone Editor, and we see our demo hosting site, ascaricorp.com. I click on Manage. Then we go into the next site, the first record, which is MX record. Now we're going to look onto Microsoft 365 in Admin Center to make sure that first record matches up with what is in Microsoft. So MX record matches. That's good. We're going to jump into the next record, which is the TXT. TXT record matches. We're going to go into Microsoft and we see the same record matches. Everything's okay. Then we're going to go into the last one, CNAME. CNAME matches. And then we're going to go back to Microsoft. CNAME matches. Both servers are talking. The handshake is there. And we have a good, strong connection with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So you just saw that video, second part of what is a Microsoft 365 tenant. Hello, it's me, Marvin Smith.
Sorry it's taken me so long to produce the video. Trying my best to bring you more content, more video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you want me to touch base more, expand a little bit more on a topic in the video, just let me know. Comment down below. Also, if you're looking for consultation on, if you're a small business owner looking for a consultation on Microsoft products or solutions, my Hire Us link will be below. It's a 3-step process. You'll fill out your information. You'll be taken to an active Stripe payment page. Once payment goes through, you'll be taken to a third page that you could link. You could schedule time on my personal calendar if you want to have a consultation to see what solution I could provide for your small, medium-sized business. And that gets put on my personal calendar. I'll confirm with you date and time is correct, and from there we'll talk more. Also, if you would like to donate to my channel, donate to the company, my donation links will be below. And also, thank you for following me. I will do my best to bring you more content. This channel is not going to be so techy to teach. It's more about showing what services are out there for small business owners in the tech space, what solutions fit your business needs, and what solutions I could provide for you. Also, I will be doing a monthly podcast for small business owners. I will link that also below. And I look forward to bringing you more content. All right, bye.